Friday in Texas and it is hot. So we're going on a little weekend trip, stopping at Broken Bow to go kayaking, and then going about an hour north to Watson, to a little cabin on the river, hang out, maybe paddleboard, then to do the Talimena drive, and have a nice dinner, I think. Hopefully this will cool us off this weekend. We're on our way to go kayaking, and there's a pretty deer.
Another one back there? Yeah, she's back there.
Well, she's just staring at us like she's ready for food.
Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
We're kayaking today with the river rats. There's our kayak. It's like they were letting water out, so it should be pretty fast. And there's Tom, ready to go. Oh no. Oh, that's cold. Tommy's ahead of me. He's going that way. I think I'm going to go this way maybe. My kayak's already half full of water from the last rapids. And it's cold water, but it feels really good. Oh, Tommy actually looks pretty good over here. Oh no. Rock. How to get through this? Shit. Oh, this isn't going to be good. Look at him just leave me. Now, at least I can see if he gets stuck before me. Okay, he seems to be stuck over there. Oh shit, he capsized. Tommy capsized. Well, Tom had her first tip over. He's nice and cool. The water is really cool. Feels good. It looks like calm for a little bit. I'm gonna chill out, wait for the rest of our crew. Oh, if I follow that route, I might be able to do it. Let's see. Oh shit! You I have enough water in my boat to sink me. I think I need to empty my boat. No, like mine's sinking. I'm pulling over for a second. Yeah. Oh, that's the fall? Oh no. Oh no, I wasn't ready for this. Look at him. Oh! Oh, he's got a face full. Oh, he's like, this sucks. Paddle, 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 paddle. Oh! We just got done kayaking. And now we are on the way to the brewery for a well-needed beer. Sitting in traffic on the way there. But we only have a half a mile left. I think we're in Ochetown, Oklahoma. We're heading to Biebers Fin Brewery. And there, over here, there's a gourmet wienery. Okay, this is the wienery menu. You got the creamy weenie, the beaver pleaser. I'm getting the buffalo dog. Kamawana Leia, Windy Dog, 3 squirts. Okay, quite a theme. Anyways, there's our beer samplers. Okay, that's Tom's dog. Looks really good. Oh, pretzel. Huh. And that's my buffalo dog. Oh, and beer cheese for the pretzel. It rains while we're here. We're not getting out. Be here a little longer until it dries up. Especially that road. I didn't see anything about 4-wheel drive. Voila, we are here at River's Edge Cabins. Wow. This is our cabin. We can cook dinner while we spa. This is our view. Our sunset tonight. No, there's only 3. There was 3. He's trying to tell you a bear came. There's only 3 chicken breasts. There's only 2 of us, but I thought they were small. Let's see. Let's just put it right here. Oh yeah, that's great. Done. I'll go get the sides. Bon appetit. After a long day of kayaking, this is well needed. Good morning, Oklahoma. It's Saturday morning. We're headed to the Talimena. We're headed to Mena, Arkansas, to start the Talimena Trail. Anyways, it's about an hour drive through, but it'll probably take a lot longer because there's a bunch of scenic stops that will show you around the way. This is the view from the Queen Wilhelmina State Park by the lodge. A little hazy today. If it wasn't, it'd be really pretty. I bet in the fall it's absolutely stunning. A lot of trails here. There appears to be some kind of train that we haven't seen that goes around the property, but maybe we'll see it on the way out. This one is called Dead Men's Vista. I think there's a muddy lake down there. A couple muddy lakes, maybe. The Talimena National Scenic Byway is 54 miles long through Arkansas and Oklahoma's mountains. There are many beautiful vistas to stop at. I recommend this drive in the fall. Remember to bring plenty of snacks and refreshments with you.